Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you, dear? I hope you always healthy and happy. Let me introduce myself. My name is Miftah Silvianti from the English Education Department class. I will explain about cultural diversity. Okay, come on. Cultural diversity is a concept that refers to the cultural differences that exist in a society or a particular region. These differences include various elements such as language, religion, race, ethnicity, gender, age, and various other aspects. In a diverse society, each individual has a unique background that reflects their history, experiences, and values. This cultural diversity gives color and richness to society. Cultural diversity is not just about differences, but also about how we appreciate and understand these differences. The statement that cultural diversity is a treasure for unity may sound contradictory, considering that differences are often a source of conflict. However, cultural diversity can actually strengthen unity in society. In this context, every individual has the opportunity to learn and appreciate differences. This will create an environment where each individual feels valued and understood, which ultimately strengthens bond between members of society. The following are five examples of the implementation of cultural diversity as a treasure for unity in a country's society. Number one, Melbourne. Known as one of the most multicultural cities in the world, its residents come from more than 200 countries, speak 230 languages and dialects, and follow 135 different religions. They show how cultural diversity can create a harmonious, tolerant, and inclusive environment. Number two, Toronto. It could be said that Toronto is home to residents from various ethnic backgrounds. Here, more than 200 different ethnicities live and work together. This diversity creates an atmosphere of tolerance and respect for differences. Number three, Singapore. Even though it is small, Singapore is a perfect example of how cultural diversity is a catalyst for unity. With a society consisting of various ethnicities, Singapore saw how cultural diversity can lead it to become one of the developed countries. Number four, New York City. Known as a cultural melting pot, New York is now a place where people from various cultural and ethnicities live side by side. This diversity creates a strong, dynamic, and creative community which shapes New York's unique identity. Lastly, of course, Indonesia is a perfect example of how cultural diversity is a catalyst for unity. As a country with more than 17,000 islands, Indonesia is home to hundreds of ethnic groups. with the motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means different but still one. Indonesia has proven that cultural diversity can be the foundation for creating a united and strong society. Okay, that's all my explanation about cultural diversity. Hopefully we can meet in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye guys.